Hi, this video shows how to create an UWP advertise controller, Microsoft AdControl to if you want to monetize your application. First, I show you how this one works or how it's shown. So what we see here is a UWP application with 4 advertisers. And those are the 4 banner advertisers from Microsoft which are supported. So this is 300x250, I think 700x28 versus 90 is default like in Google, and then we have the 160, 600, 300, 600. This is also one which is quite common at Google advertise stuff. So AdSense, and there's also an additional stuff which is called interstitial full-size interstitial ad control. So this is when you have a video or something, or if you want to have a full screen advertisement as an implement. And this saw there's also this counter which. When you click on it, you will see there comes this return button. So these are those 4 blocks, and now I show you how this works. I've described it also in my blog. We first need a reference here at references. Go there and open. We are here in Microsoft in the Visual Studio 2017. So what you need here is go to the Manage Nuget Packages, and there you type in at browse Microsoft.Store, and then you will find, what was it, Services.Store, Microsoft.Services.Store. Here it is. Then you click on there, on that point, Microsoft.Services.Store SDK. I see 10,000 downloads and all that stuff. Here you see the description. Install it. I have already installed it. And then you will find, after the installation, here this block, Microsoft.Services.Store SDK. When you have done this point, then you have you will go to your application. Here it's my main page, SAML, and here in the application, that's what I had here as a blank block. First, how shall we start? First, make the following. We need a reference for the advertising. So for the ad control, inside that stuff we have here those ad controls. Where is it? Here, ad control. This is a ad control, this big block, there it is. And this ad control will come, I think you won't see it at the toolbox. It's not there. That's why I want to show you how this works. What we have to do there is we first insert in our big block here the using Microsoft advertising block. So for this one you have to go first to the references, go there to add reference, and here at extensions, here at reference manager, universal windows, extensions, you will find Microsoft Advertising SDK, for example, and then make a click on to activate that point. As soon as you have done that point, you will have here this small stuff here, this reference, and this is the Nuget package. So and now to get run off with this stuff, you need in your main page, or on the page where you want to add this control, you have first to go to the namespace here in the top. Make this a little bit smaller. Go here into the namespace, type in here XMLNS, so namespace, and then give it a shortage like here, add, and then type equals, and then you will see using double point and then Microsoft Advertising.WinRT.UI. So you have some other stuff here, but take the WinRT UI. I don't know why the Windows runtime is there, but it's I thought it's this one, but you have to take the WinRT UI because there's the UI control, the interface control. And then simply make this one go into your blog where you have your stuff here, like this one. When you have a grid, I have here this big grid, and inside the grid I took a header block. This is a header block, and then I said, okay, let's drop here one control, and there you type you type in there add double point, and then you will see there's the add control, because this is now coming from that add space, from that namespace. So when you have this block, then you may copy it in there. Where did I point it? Control Z, here it is. And then type this one, add control, and you may give it a name like this one, xname equals my new ad. We see this one, it closes that point, and oh, you don't need it here, you don't, just take it like this. Okay, and when you're there, you need a width and height, and the width and height are 4 values. That's why I've written it into my application. That's my, this is the, well, those 4 values. Here they are, 300 versus 250, 728, 160 to 300. So those 4 block sizes exist. So type it in here. Width is equals 160, height is 600, and then we have 2 properties here. We have the AdUnitId and the ApplicationId. When you are developing your stuff the first time, then you have to take those default values for testing values. So inside there we have go to the website there, and they have type in test mode values. So for testing, you may take this one, UWP Windows 10 AdUnitId test ApplicationId, this number. So okay, this one, and then drop that block in there and type. So this is now my testing stuff. So this will not count when it's shown. And then AdUnitId, you may take test, for example, for the testing itself. And when you're in the developer studio, then you will evaluate how much came out of this control, how much revenue. So that's it. And yeah, okay, so this is when you drop your stuff in there, then you will see now I have implemented here 4 advertisers. The application is starting, and then we have the 300, 250, and those, now you see those four banners. And an additional one is this ad control, which is for the videos. And for the videos, there's not a real control behind there. What you need there is when you go to your code page of this main page. When you click on there, then you have to do the following. You have also to make a reference here on the to the namespace. Go there at using Microsoft Advertising WinRT.UI, and then make a private declaration for the interstitial ad. Give it the test number and the test AdUnitId, and then at the beginning, or you have to create it new. You have to you have to say create a new interstitial ad, and then for the first point, what you saw at the button, request at Microsoft for a new video. You may take also some other display or video. Take this one, add your two components, your IDs, and then the stuff will be loaded, and as soon as it's loaded, when it's loaded, then you may show it. So, and that's the point why I had this this block in here, and there's no real SAML control in that point. You do all that stuff at runtime, and normally you take it in midst to a video or something like this. So that's it, and I've written all my documentation here at code documentation, UWP Universal Windows Platform, UWP controls, and here I've written my AdControl documentation. Now here I see, okay, I load that stuff, make a reference, take the number from your package. That's what I have also to say. Where will you get this number from? This number, ApplicationId, when you run it at your own, then you have to go here into the package application manifest, and you will find the number here. This is the package name. Copy it, and for the real running stuff, take it in here, and here give a name by S, however you want it. And then build your own stuff, run it to where is it, project, go to the store, and deploy to the store, and make a lot of money.